In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Flutterflow project with others. Whether you're collaborating with teammates or simply want to make your project more accessible to a wider audience, I'll guide you through the necessary steps to do so with ease. First, you'll want to get started by opening your Flutterflow project. For those who may be new to Flutterflow, you can access it by navigating to app.flutterflow.io. Once there, log in, and you'll be greeted with a list of all your projects. Select the specific project you'd like to share. This is your gateway to enhancing collaborative efforts or showcasing your work to the world. Next, it's time to delve into your project settings. Look at the left sidebar in your Flutterflow interface. At the very bottom, you'll see a gear icon, which represents app settings. Clicking on this will open up a myriad of options related to your project. Don't worry, we'll focus on the ones that matter for our sharing purposes. In the Project Settings menu, find the section labeled Project Setup. You'll notice an option for collaboration. This is crucial for our next steps and is where all the magic happens to allow for teamwork and shared access. Clicking here will open a menu with sections for access control and activity and the possibility to invite new users. Now, if you're planning on working with a team, this is your chance to add them as collaborators. You'll see a field labeled Invite Users. In this field, you can enter one or multiple email addresses of the people you'd like to work with. Once this is done, simply click Confirm. Each invited user will receive an email invitation to join your project. It's a straightforward process that enhances teamwork and productivity. For those wanting to make their projects public, sharing doesn't stop there. Take a look at the top right toolbar in your Flutterflow project interface. There's an icon labeled Share. Clicking on this will bring up a window titled Make Project Public. It's in this window where you decide the level of accessibility you provide for your project. Finally, to spread the word and get your project seen, you'll need to copy the public share URL. In the Make Project Public window, you'll notice a copy icon right next to the URL. Clicking this icon copies your project's public link to your clipboard. This link can be shared with anyone you choose, allowing them to view or even clone your project, opening the door to collaboration and feedback from the wider Flutterflow community. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to share your Flutterflow project with others. Whether you're inviting team members or opening your project up for the community, these steps will ensure smooth access and collaboration. Happy sharing, and see you in the next video.